Hey guys, it's Lexi, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about our 7-in-1 tumbler press. We've got 7 Platens in front of us with multiple different designs on them. So a couple things to note before we get started is that when you are doing a full wrap press, that you must rotate it after each full pressing cycle in order to get adequate pressure around all of your mug or tumbler. You have to let the press completely cool down before you change out the Platens, otherwise you will burn your fingers. So starting with our 1.5 ounce mug press, and I won't be pressing anything today, I will just be showing you guys how to insert all of the different Platens. All right. So there's little notches that you'll put the little hooks in, and our pressure is not completely up, so we got to adjust that, otherwise it's not gonna fit. And then we've got 4 screws, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And now the cord into the press itself. All right, we did this shot glass a little while ago, and so as you can tell, there is a little bit of ghosting because we did not have adequate pressure on our shot glass, and we also overlapped our design, so the design didn't come through fully. So we'll insert our shot glass here, and then make sure that you have your hand at the opposite end, otherwise your shot glass will fall out. So after you adjust your pressure, you'll close it, and then you can see that your shot glass is in there, and then you use these 2 knobs to adjust the pressure as well, so it gets firm around your shot glass. Our Platen is firmly around our shot glass now. As you can tell, there is a bit of a gap here, so after you press your shot glass the first time, you have to be sure that you rotate it and then press it for a full cycle again afterwards. Up next is our 3 ounce straight mini mug Platen. Unfortunately, we don't have any blanks in stock that would fit this, so I can't show you guys what it looks like to have a blank inside it, but it does fit 3 ounce straight shot glasses or mini mugs. Next is our 6 to 10 ounce mug press. And we do have a blank ready for you guys, so you will be able to see what it looks like to have a blank inside. I'll put this in, and then the screws, again, 2 screws on top and 2 screws on the bottom. And to adjust your pressure. And then you'll take your blank and you'll insert it into the press. Adjust your pressure accordingly so it fits snug around the mug, and then press your mug. Next, we'll talk about our 11 to 15 ounce straight press. So you'll take your Platen and insert it into your press. Put the 2 screws on the top and the 2 screws on the bottom. Take your blank and insert it into your press. Adjust your pressure accordingly. Again, make it snug around the mug. And close your press. Make sure the handle's sticking out. Be careful when you take your mug out of your press because it will be very hot, except for the handle. Up next is our 12 ounce cone press. We don't have any blanks for it in stock, but this is what it looks like. As you can see, very coney. Big on the top, smaller on the bottom. It's very similar to our next press, which is a 17 ounce cone press. So you'll take it, the Platen, and insert it into your press. Again, 4 screws. And then you'll take your blank, make sure that the plastic top is not in your mug or your cup. And then you'll insert it into your press, adjust the pressure accordingly, and close it. As you can see, there's a very large gap in your blank, so after a full pressing cycle, make sure that you rotate it to get adequate pressure around your entire blank and transfer your design completely over so you get that full wrap that you're looking for. Up next is our 20 ounce tumbler. You'll take it, line up the pegs, and take your 4 screws and put them on your press. Take your blank, make sure that the plastic is off of it, insert it into your press, adjust your pressure accordingly, and make sure that it is snug around your blank. As you can see again, there is a gap. So after a full pressing cycle, you will rotate your blank to get adequate pressure around your entire blank so you get the full design that you're looking for. Let's go over the pieces that come with your 7-in-1 press set. Up first is our 1.5 ounce shot glass platen. Next is our 3 ounce straight mug press. After that, we've got our 6 to 10 ounce straight mug press. After that, we've got our 11 to 15 ounce mug press, our 12 ounce cone press, our 17 ounce cone press, and we've got our 20 ounce straight press. Just a couple quick notes before we go. If you are using this 7-in-1 press and you're looking for a full wrap design and you don't have a handle on your blank, you will have to rotate it after your initial press. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all of our social medias, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.